What is email spoofing awareness? Email spoofing is the act of someone pretending to be someone they're not. The most common email spoofs are very good at getting past most IT security systems. 99% of spoofed emails are asking for money to be transferred. Anytime you see a request for a transfer of money, always double-check the legitimacy of the request. Both Office 365 and Google offer anti-spoofing measures as part of their suite. However, even with this feature enabled, spoofed emails can still make it through the net. User awareness is the best form of protection. This is where a simulated email spoofing can help. Users are sent a series of simulated fake emails to evaluate the risk score. Depending on the score, they can then be added to a user awareness training session. This system is great to have for onboarding new staff and keeping on top of the latest threats as they appear in the wild. Get in touch with us to find out how this works.